Hey everyone out there in Facebook land, who's around on a Friday afternoon. I'm finishing up some of my rustic bunnies here, so I thought that I'd hop on and see if anyone is around. This is the bunny that I'm making. It's a trio of them. So cute, right? Very rustic, primitive, easy, but cute Easter decor. Does anyone decorate for Easter? Let's hear it. I'm gonna paint my little eyes here. Hey Renee, how are you? So nice to see you. Thanks for stopping on. Yeah, aren't these little things cute? Easy to do, fun to do, and cute little project. I've been watching some of your amazing work out there. Drawing my little black eyes here. Trying to get them the same size. Again, this is very rustic, so it is not perfect. And I think that's the charm of it. We don't look for perfection. I'm certainly not an artist, that's for sure. I was making a bunch of these the other day and they were all standing here with just the eyes on. I really felt like I was being stared at. So I just started talking to them. It gets lonely when you work in here alone. I'm doing 2 of these. So in the ends, they are a trio of a little family, a bunny family, which goes so cute with the carrots that I made. I don't know if anybody saw the carrots that I posted. I love those. They're my favorite. I love to just put out a basket of carrots. Simple decor. Who thought it would be hard getting 2 black circles the same size? Okay, we got some eyes going on. Hey Kathy, how are you? Nice to see you. And you're back in the cold weather with the rest of us, not on some great sunny vacation. Although it is, it's warmer here now. Thank goodness. I'm finishing this up and then I'm gonna go outside and enjoy some of that nice weather. I'm gonna paint my little pink noses here. Are all of you getting out there? Oh, not for long? You going somewhere else, Kath? You're always traveling. I like to live vicariously through your going away photos. You could use anything for these little noses. These happen to be the little felt things that I put on the back of either signs or on the bottom of furniture. They were the perfect little size. For all the craft things that I have no buttons. That's really what I was originally going to use. And I said, wow, with everything that I have no buttons. But that's okay. These work. You going to Aruba? Oh, I was just talking to another friend. She goes every year and she had to cancel. How exciting. Wish I was going away. But I guess I'm just going to wait for spring and summer to come here. Next year will be a vacation. These really are fluffy, so you gotta put quite a bit of paint on them to cover them. They're not a flat, slick surface. But I think that works just fine. Then I'm going to make my ears, which is just wire-edged ribbon. Let's see. I got one cut. Let me cut another one. And then for the bigger bunny, I'll do a little bit taller ears. Try and get them the same size. And then I'll paint little pink insides for the bunny. And a little pink paint here. Oh, I would love to go with you, Kathy. I haven't been there since. That's where we honeymooned, and I haven't been back since. We always said we were going to go back. Absolutely love Aruba. What place are you staying at? We stayed at, they were like sister hotels next to each other. The Tamarind and the Divvy Divvy. I think that's where my girlfriend Teresa goes too. Then again, no, I'm not sure. It was close to it or something. But I remember that our room, we could literally walk right out on the beach, only steps away. It was one story. You walked out on your terrace and right on the beach. Beautiful. Oh, you're going to the Divvy. How cool. I remember our room was the last room. Right next to it was the outdoor bar and the beach. Oh, perfect location. Okay, got my little pink insides done. And you just got back from Florida, right, Kathy? Yeah. Oh, I really need a vacation. It's okay. We just have to make it through March now, and March could be, isn't that the month they say comes in like a lion and out like a lamb? Hopefully we get no more snow. Done with the snow. Oh yeah, your son had spring training. Very nice. I wouldn't mind traveling to places like that for practice, training. Okay, got my insides of my ears going here. Again, nothing is perfect with these. They're very primitive and rustic. That's the beauty of them. And then I'm going to cut the tops to give them pointed ears. Yeah, we are going to live vicariously through her. I love looking at everybody's vacation pictures. I do just pretend that I'm there sometimes. Okay, easy peasy. Cut them just to have a little point on top. I do that to both sets. These are not the best scissors. With all the scissors I have, I picked a pair that's not the best. But that's okay. Again, nothing's perfect about these. Let's see if I can glue these on without giving myself more blisters. Fold them down a little bit. Just place them on top where I think that they should go and start gluing. And this is where I burn myself. I seriously had like 4 blisters on my fingers the other day. I don't think that they would be able to take my fingerprints. They're all blistered. So then what I try and do is hold it down with something so I don't use my finger, just till it dries for a minute. Hi, how are you? For some reason I thought you were going to be out and about shopping today. Stay out of Hobby Lobby and Home Depot. I was actually going to go to the store, but I'm staying out of the stores. I'm not buying anything else. Okay, then that dries. Take my other one. At the end, I'll get all the glue strands off. Let's see if we can place this one the same way. Get it somewhat even. There we go. Get some glue down there. There I go, burning myself again. Oh, I need another glue stick. I knew I had one somewhere. This shop is such a mess. Oh, you did all that yesterday, I? Good, then you can stay home and create today, right? I loved that picture you posted of that entryway. That piece that you made last week would really go beautiful in that spot. It's very cool. Louise, how are you? I haven't seen your smiling face in a long time. I hope you're well. All these glue strands. I try and hold it down. I'm using a little nail to hold it down so I don't use my fingers to do it, and then I get the nail stuck to it. Good job, Laura. Add a little bit more glue. Thank you, Louise. These really are cute. And like I said, I love how they go with the carrots. All right, hold that for a second. Good ears, right? I'll do these ears now on the big guy. Got taller ones. I fold it in a little bit. Ugh, glue strands all over. Let's see. That looks good. Thank you, Renee. Glue them down. And then try and hold them without burning yourself. Just hold it for a second. Hey Dawn, how are you? Thank you. These little cutie patooties. Look at all the glue strands. All right, there's one ear. Here's another ear. Just fold it a little bit, line it up with the other one, and we should be good. More glue. My favorite tool is my glue gun. Everything gets attached with my glue gun. Perfect. All right, this means all of you people watching are in the house on a beautiful day. No one's out there enjoying the weather. No snow, the sun is shining. Perfect day. Oh, I'm glad that you did too, Dawn. I appreciate you hopping on. Oof. All these glue strands. Ah, see? Got my nail stuck to it. Just another second to dry and we're good. Okay. Got 2 sets of ears. We're good. Now we're going to get some whiskers and a nose. Got my little pink noses, and we're going to do them with raffia. I just tied a bunch of raffia together. Glue that on. Put a little dab of glue here. And then stick my nose to it. And all of a sudden a face comes alive. Jennifer, how are you? Yes, it is a cordless glue gun. Love this thing. Although, look what a mess it is. Everybody else I see do things. Their glue guns look so nice, and mine is a disaster. I don't really know how to clean that off, but love my cordless glue gun. It's my favorite tool. Okay, we've got a nose there. I need to get some more raffia. Cut some more whiskers. And then I cut a little piece to be able to tie it together. Oh, what a mess. All right. I have to get a better piece to tie it together. There we go. Easy peasy. And then just cut it down, stick him to this, under his eyes there. Cut all these. Get them somewhat even. Again, it's very rustic. It's not mean to be perfect. It's mean to look very primitive. Got him in there. Another dab of glue and stick a pink nose. Raffia is all over. Very messy. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, we got faces going. Now all we need is a bow. I'm going to add a little bow like that. Do a simple little bow. Let's see, I got a green one, so I'm going to do a pink one. Hopefully not get pink paint all over the place. Let's see how big I have to make this. A little bit bigger. I think that's a good size. Yep. Then I take another little piece of white ribbon to tie a knot. Hold it in place. I didn't cut this very long. Sometimes I struggle with doing things like this because I have very big fingers. Okay, kind of little poof it out. Got a good bow going, cut off that tail. And then just put a dab of glue on him, or her. Since it's a pink bow, I'm going to say it's a her, not a him. And stick them on. Thank you, Kathy. Aren't they cute? It's 3 different heights. I believe that they are 10 inches, 8 inches, and 6 inches. We got our pink bow. Now let's do a blue bow. Again, sort of measure how big you need the bow to be. He's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger. I think that's good. Thank you, Jennifer. I appreciate you hopping on. All of you ladies are at home probably making fabulous things in your shops. Okay, got another little ribbon to tie this off. Tie just a little knot. Hold it in place. Tight. Cut off the extra. Oh, Lord, I have to go get my other scissors. These are awful. That's what happens when you cut everything with one pair of scissors. There should be one for your fabric, one for your paper, one for your ribbons. But of course I don't do that. Okay. Hobby Lobby has what, Eileen? Dab of glue. And give this guy a blue bow. And my family is complete. Hello, Bob. How are you watching? You should be working. Thank you, Jennifer. I'm hoping I'm teaching something too. But really, I like to be on just to talk to someone. It gets lonely here being alone. Hey, Bob. Okay, I got the big guy. So, we got our family going. Here's the little guy. All now pastel colors. What do you think? Adorbs, right? Later I'll show a picture of them with my carrots. I thank everyone for dropping in. Oh, enjoy your lunch, Bobby. Make it quick. You only have an hour, right? Chop, chop. We'll be watching. Thanks so much for hopping on. Have a great day.